Welcome to the channel. The Ford F-150 Raptor has always been the truck that pushes the limits of what a high-performance pickup can do, and for 2027, Ford takes that reputation even further. Built for drivers who want serious off-road capability without sacrificing everyday comfort, the latest Raptor arrives with a more aggressive design, updated technology, and the kind of power that continues to dominate the full-size performance truck segment. From the moment you see the 2027 Ford F-150 Raptor, it's clear this truck means business. The front end features an even bolder grille design with signature LED lighting that stretches across the face of the truck. Wider fenders, muscular body lines, and a raised stance give it an unmistakable presence on the road or trail. Massive all-terrain tires, reinforced skid plates, and functional air vents emphasize its desert racing DNA. Whether parked downtown or charging through rugged terrain, the Raptor commands attention from every angle. Step inside, and the cabin balances toughness with modern luxury. High-quality materials cover the dashboard, doors, and seats, while unique Raptor badging reminds occupants they're in something special. The supportive sport seats are designed to keep passengers comfortable during long highway drives and secure during aggressive off-road adventures. A large digital instrument cluster provides customizable information, while the latest infotainment system features a massive touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Improved voice controls, faster processing speeds, and enhanced connectivity help make every journey more convenient. The technology package extends far beyond entertainment. Ford includes a suite of advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate dedicated trail cameras and terrain management systems that help drivers confidently navigate difficult obstacles. Multiple drive modes allow the truck to adapt to everything from daily commuting to high-speed desert runs. Under the hood, the 2027 F-150 Raptor is expected to continue offering Ford's powerful twin, turbocharged EcoBoost V6 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque of figures. Rumors suggest Ford may introduce additional performance enhancements, improving throttle response and overall capability. Power is sent through a sophisticated four-wheel drive system paired with a responsive automatic transmission, ensuring maximum traction in virtually any environment. Performance remains the heart of the Raptor experience. Advanced FUX suspension components help absorb bumps and rough terrain while maintaining stability at higher speeds. The truck's long, travel suspension setup allows it to tackle challenging off-road conditions that would stop many competitors in their tracks. Whether climbing rocky trails, crossing sandy dunes, or handling muddy backroads, the Raptor is engineered to perform with confidence. Despite its extreme capabilities, the truck remains surprisingly comfortable on pavement. Improved ride quality, refined steering, and enhanced cabin insulation make it easier than ever to live with the Raptor every day. It's a vehicle that can serve as a family hauler during the week and an off-road adventure machine on the weekend. Pricing for the 2027 Ford F-150 Raptor is expected to start around the mid-$80,000 range in the United States, with higher trims and optional packages pushing the price significantly higher. While it represents a premium investment, buyers receive one of the most capable and technologically advanced performance trucks available today. The 2027 Ford F-150 Raptor continues to prove why it remains a benchmark in the high-performance pickup segment. With aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, impressive power, and unmatched off-road capability, it delivers an experience few trucks can match. For drivers seeking adventure without compromise, the latest Raptor looks ready to raise the bar once again.